Good evening.
Good evening. Good evening.
Don't you know the price of gold today?
Yes, I am aware of it. I know it's already crossed 100,000 US dollar.
Correct? $100,000. This is the buyer wouldn't be able to afford. This is for the elite buyer, big company.
It is more became now.
Yes.
Yeah, the per ounce is already 3,120 and kilo is already 100,293.
Wow. Just a moment. I'm gonna have a
Yeah,
look. Just bear with me. I'm gonna have a look on the world market. Just
it
bear.
is going to be for the elite buyers, as you said.
Just bear with me. Wow, 3,018.27 per ounce.
100 and 270. I'm seeing in my computer now.
Okay, I'm gonna have a look on my laptop. Okay, just a moment.
It is
Okay.
dropping between the five US dollar. It's coming and going the price. No, it's already dropped $10. It's now 260.
No, 100,254.63.
With me is which was a 259. Now it's 250, 250. It is playing between the $15,
Yes. Hmm.
283 now.
I know they're in panic right now. Lots of buyers are screaming. They are begging
Now
to
300.
reduce the price. My seller wouldn't give away anymore because of the
It
scarcity
is.
of supply.
It is. I have seen 308, even 100,000, 308 already.
See?
Mrs. Ford, I'm afraid it's going to be enormous. This price. It's maybe in May it might be 3,500 US dollar per ounce.
If you watch on my platform on my Facebook, there is a prediction that the gold will turn to 5,000 per ounce. So multiply
Yeah,
that on 32.15 on 5,000 times 32.15 equals 160,750.
well, it is way too much.
This is not for ordinary buyer. This is really for big company.
Well, if you think about generally how the retail customers they will purchase the gold.
They're
Even
gonna
the country
starve.
now more or less.
They're going to starve because their business would not function. I last night before I close, this guy he knows me and he's been following my platform. He went to Ghana and he lost money and he owned a shop in Gold Sock. And I told him, I want to meet you face to face. And he said, can you bring gold? I said, no, I don't bring gold. I just want to meet you face to face. Mhm. And then I make a joke. You own the shop. I walk into your shop. I want to buy jewelry from your shop. And I'm going to ask you, can you ship the gold jewelry to Australia? Then I will pay you after I receive. And he was laughing. I said, no, 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 no. Mrs. Pur, this is Cass. And I told him, now you're talking. Hmm. Can you imagine that?
Where is which country he's from?
Dubai.
Oh, yeah. Oh.
Yeah. He's been following me. He went to Ghana. He think that he can get the gold. Now he lost money.
And they spit him out.
Yeah. Now he keep on following me and I told him, you know me for 3 years. And I told him, don't worry,
You
I'm
see,
gonna come to Gold Souk and I'm gonna come to your shop. Hmm. I will meet you face to face.
he's,
Hmm.
he's an Indian origin.
He's Indian. Most of the gold seller in Gold Souk are Indians. Yeah.
You see, Mrs. Ford, that is the only point which I cannot understand. People there watching your platform, either way in Facebook, either way in the YouTube channel, you giving such a brilliant explanation, and still they do such unreturnable, unforgiven mistake. They go by themselves and they are losing the money. I have no idea what
Because they're
kind of
greedy.
mentality these people.
Very simple, Ramis. They're greedy and selfish because they think that they
Yes,
can make profit 100%. You will get the profit if you follow the golden rules. Now, because remember I asked my seller to give the buyer less 8% tax included. My seller says, Mrs. Ford, we have to be wise this time because the price of gold is getting higher, and we have also
yeah,
overhead. Hmm. See, our
they have
selling
a
price
right.
is ninety-two
They have a
thousand
right.
dollars.
Yes, they have a right to say. Yeah,
And I give the buyer a layaway. I told him, take Wilhelmina, I will give you 12%, but they don't. They window shop, and then they bump into a lot of joker broker. See,
yeah.
now it's 100,000, 260.74.
Oh, with me is 224.
100,000, 260.74. Less 8% out of that. 100,000 to, just a moment, 100. 100.
215 right now.
No, in Duribar, the unrefined.
Yeah, yeah, this is 24 carats.
That one is for 24 carats. We are selling unrefined.
Yes, I know.
100,000 to 39.52 less 8% minus 100,000 again to 39.52. Our selling price is 92,220 per kilo.
Yes, 92,208.
Yeah,
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 this is still good. This is still good money.
yeah. So that is how it works. This is not for a small buyer buying 1 kilo, 2 kilos, 5 kilos. No, they don't have the money. On 10 kilos, again, is 1 million. Hang on, 92,000. 2220.36 times 20. That is
It's too big. Yeah,
1,844,000.
yeah. He needs more than $1 million because 920,000 US dollar only for the goods. What about the insurance, logistic
That's
payment,
right.
taxes, etc.?
Now I'm traveling now. I'm confirmed.
Yeah.
I'm going to buy my ticket. I'm confirmed.
What about your the other big buyer, Mrs. Ford? He is stepping down totally.
No, we turn him down because he's using crypto. I told him cash in your crypto, and crypto is down at the moment. He's going to leverage. I said no, so I turned him down. I uh, I canceled the contract. He signed the contract,
If
canceled it.
tell him come and buy some small quantity, like a 50 kilo, 100 kilo.
He doesn't have the money.
Uh-huh. He made a big investment on the cryptocurrency because it is not a really investment in the cryptocurrency.
I told him cash in the crypto, but he cannot cash in crypto. He's going to use other method. I said no, this is traditional. Yeah. So we canceled the contract. My seller canceled it. We given him 4 months. 4 months. And we give this buyer 6 months. But I'm very patient because he just got his anti-money laundering certificate. He sent it to me.
Yeah, this young businessman, he will be really success because he made a very good decision, and he will be starting up with you. And if he make in a month maybe twice at least to return to recycle his revenue, he can make until the end of the year. It's a good income.
It's a good return, really. because I've given him a very good deal, and we keep the old price rather than the new price, and he's really happy. I just finished talking to him.
Yeah.
Mm.
He can keep from Dubai to Conakry. He can travel if he doesn't have some stay in UK, and he can stay permanently at this couple of months, so he can understand the
No,
market in Dubai.
when you apply for company, you are given a residency. Yeah,
Yeah, 1 year I believe it's
yeah.
valid for 1 or 2 years, so
That
he can really make a good money.
he will he will.
He's an he's an intelligent and smart person, so he understands that it's a real business. That's why he spared some budget from his previous business, and he invested on the gold trading. He's a smart guy.
Exactly. And I'm very patient. It took me last year, November, December, January, February, March,
Four
5 months.
months, or
Yeah,
4 months. Yeah, it's a very good.
almost 5 months because April. Yeah.
Yeah,
And the sailor was really said, "How? What happened?" He said, "Relax, relax. I'm here. Relax." Because I know the brain of the buyer. Mm. See, it's really amazing. 100,000, huh?
yes, Mrs. Ford, 100,188 right now. 83. It's
No,
dropping a little bit.
this one here on my end on my computer, 100,209.94. It's down. Sometimes it's ups and down. Yeah.
Yes, but the ounce price is still is there. It's like almost 3,115. It's almost all dropped a little bit, slightly more than 45
No,
US dollars.
here is 3,016.63 per ounce.
Yeah,
In dollars term is 100,201.91.
167 with me right now.
Mm.
67.
Now going back to the guy that you spoken, he's an agent from Nairobi, and most of the gold in Nairobi is smuggled into Nairobi from Congo.
Oh, no, no, no. I did not talk with him, with none of them. I have seen just a member request. That's why I tried to inform you, because if I were, I will decline both of them, because both of them is not eligible for your group. They are just trying to mess around.
Or they just are searching and looking and searching and looking. Everybody learn from my platform, really.
They are trying to dig behind you if they try to get some information, and if they try to reach some potential buyer and etc. They are just trying to get some information from
It's
your group.
it's
This is
okay.
all.
I would love to share. I'm not greedy. I'm not greedy. They can come and learn out of it because no one is explaining to them like that. Nobody.
Yeah, a couple of weeks ago, I rejected one girl from United States because she wasn't any business background, and she was just trying to hunt a man in this group page. Even they not sure the picture is original, belongs to her or not. So I just reject her. And
Okay.
these two people, whatever your decision, you approve or you decline. So I just leave it. Other one is the Jamal Davis. He doesn't have any information, and 1 year ago in 2024, he registered in Facebook page. He doesn't have any relationship with the gold. So what the hell you
No, he
doing in
just
the
he just want to
Facebook?
create a Facebook. So don't judge him. He just thinking that he can make money, but you wouldn't. I just finished talking to this buyer, right? And he has a
Yeah,
broker from Nigeria. And this buyer, he has a website, and they went to Ghana, and they failed. So they are really big, the way I look at it. But even though it's big, how come they failed to secure if they are big? So I said to this joker broker, I want you to book me a face-to-face meeting to your buyer. I want to meet him. But beforehand, I'm going to meet him via Bootim live video call, and They refused to do that. So I told this joker broker, therefore you are not serving your buyer because I'm very strict. I'm very harsh. This guy, another guy from Finland, and he's a marketing consultant. They failed. They went to Mali, and they asked my help to sort it out. And I told this guy, I am not here to solve your problem. You went to Mali, and your gold didn't arrive in Dubai. So you created a problem, and your buyer is paying your services, and then you come to Wilhelmina to sort it out. I'm not like that. See, they purchased 35 kilos, and the seller put 5 kilos in order to make it 40. Now, when the gold transit, of course, the customer sees it and look at it. Why it's 40 and the document is 35, and they were being asked to bribe 100,000
Well,
by custom.
it is openly what we call it smuggling. It is
Yeah,
smuggling.
they are. They're trying to smuggle it. So I told them, don't smuggle it. Why not just follow the golden rules?
Because they are greedy. They are
Yeah,
not honest business people. They are not honest business people. They are just trying to make a very good, sweet money, but they are not honest people. They are trying to do from the dark side. They are not
yes,
honest.
that's right. Hmm.
And they have forgotten the border security people or the customs officer. They are not stupid. They are well-trained people.
They are. Once you stop over in a transit country like Ghana, like Nairobi, when you're gonna transit, everything has to be put on the X-ray machine. And if the
Yes.
customs see what is that on the box, they will open it. So most of
Yeah.
the buyer they wanted the hand carry because they wanted to shortcut. Why not just ship it? Yeah.
Yeah.
My
Because there
buyer
is
has an
some.
account to my buyer has an account to Sky Cargo. Hmm.
Yeah. Best way. You give payment to the all the expenses for the logistic company for the insurance, and your good will be safely arrival to your destination. You just
Exactly.
go and claim.
Exactly. Hmm. So those buyer they wanted to cut corner. Everybody knows Wilhelmina, and they come to my platform. That's fine. At least you learn that this is real business. This is not a joke business. That's why I always tell them subscribe and give me likes if you like it, and if you don't like it, oh, well, at least you learn. But if you don't like it, you don't read it. But if you like it, you have to read it. That's why you make a comment or give me likes and subscribe, because time to time, when I have a live video call conference, then automatic those buyers or potential buyer would be notified. But they're scared to make a comment. Why are you gonna be scared? To me, I'm not scared to put my face all over the world. Hmm.
Well, you're doing the right thing, Mrs. Ford. You are a you are a consultant. You are a mandate. You are the marketing manager for your the company which you are representing. You're doing the right thing. You see, and it's already Mrs. Ford 248. It's been already 248.
Mine is three thousand one
100,248.
fourteen point nine per ounce.
Yeah, it is approaching the kilo 250 US dollar now, or 100,250. It is going up again.
Well, mine is 100,000 146.29.
Well, maybe there's some
So in every
there's
country have
some
a different
difference.
conversion, but it's okay. Hmm.
Yeah,
The price of gold it fluctuates, running very fast. Hmm.
242 now. Yes. I don't know. This stupid government here in Turkey, as long as they don't we bring them to the down.
To all potential buyer from Dubai, if you're really serious buyer, The price of gold is getting higher and higher. And I will put the price of the day after my live video. I just finished having a conference with Ramis. Okay, now the reason why I put everything on my platform, because it would be easier for the buyer to comprehend. We don't send FCO anymore. The FCO, the full corporate offer, is on every video. I pop up on my YouTube live when I do interview the buyer. Now, you have to listen to this video properly and subscribe and give me the likes if you like this video. If you don't like this video, it's okay. And when you subscribe and give me the likes, you scroll down, the full corporate offer is on every video. Just a moment, someone is sending me a message. Once again, I would like to end my live video into a conference with Ramis. I will go back to the price of gold because the price of gold is getting higher and higher every minute. Just a moment. Okay, so that you would be aware the price of gold. Now, the price of gold, the time here is 9:53 in the evening, March 31st. The price of gold is 3,117.67 per ounce. In dollars terms, it's 100,000 to 35.34. Now, this is refined. You are not buying refined, you are buying unrefined. So, our selling price is $92,000 per kilo on Doribar. So, if you are on Dubai, I would be traveling. Make an appointment with Wilhelmina to meet me while I'm in Dubai. My stay in Dubai just only few nights. And I just want to meet the real buyer. This is not for everyone. And if you asking you buy 1 kilo, it's not worth it for you. This is for the elite buyer. This is for the real buyer, not for small buyer. And if you have 1 million or 2 million, yes, I can entertain you. And we don't sell 1 kilo, 2 kilos. Minimum at least I will fit in if you have the money to pay. Maybe I can fit in you 10 kilos. $92,000 times 10. That is $92,000 per kilo. But you need to travel with Wilhelmina so that I could guide you. Listen to this video. You are using Wilhelmina's services to assist you on the ground. I do charge $20,000 to assist you. But if you cannot afford, meaning to say, you cannot afford to pay the gold. And if you really a serious buyer, I can send you to Africa. But if there is an issue, don't come back to Wilhelmina because African seller is very hard to deal with. It's better that you do the process properly. You send me a copy of your business registration. As I mentioned a while ago, show me your importation license, your passport copy, and the proof of fund that you have $92,000 on 10 kilos. Right. Or 20 kilos, 1,840,000. I don't know if you can afford. We don't deal CIF here. Huh? No CIF cost insurance and freight. This is cash business, bank-to-bank payment. This is FOB. So I wish you good luck, and if you bump on this video, then you're lucky. I know you've been roaming around searching for gold, but you would not search gold the proper way.
Diara Zalmanigi from Kinskregani. WhatsApp audio.
I was being interrupted. I'm sorry. But anyway, Mr. Buyer, if you watch this video, just subscribe and give me the likes and take time to read the full corporate offer. That is simple. Thank you very much. Have a pleasant good evening.